Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to buy from government auctions step by step. First, determine what you are looking for, whether it's vehicles, real estate, or surplus equipment. Then, begin your search on official government auction sites such as GSA Auctions, which lists federal assets. Don't forget to check state and local government websites too, as they often have their own sales. Registering on these platforms will ensure you receive timely updates on new listings. Before placing any bids, thorough research is absolutely crucial. Carefully review all item descriptions, photos, and any provided documentation. It's vital to understand the specific terms and conditions for each auction, including payment methods and pickup requirements. Always look for information regarding the item's condition, noting any defects or necessary repairs. Remember to calculate potential additional costs, such as sales tax, buyer's premiums, and shipping fees, into your budget. When you're ready to bid, establish a firm maximum bid that aligns with your budget and stick to it. Familiarize yourself with the auction's specific bidding increments and whether it's an online, live, or sealed bid format. If you win, pay close attention to the payment deadlines, which are often strict, typically within 2 to 3 business days. Ensure you use an accepted payment method, such as a credit card or wire transfer, and promptly arrange for item pickup or shipping. Congratulations on your winning bid. After the auction, immediately confirm your payment has been processed and your bid is officially recognized. Carefully follow all instructions provided for retrieving your item, which might include specific dates, times, and locations. When picking up, always bring valid identification and proof of payment, such as a receipt or confirmation email. Finally, conduct a thorough inspection of the item at the pickup location to ensure it matches the description and is in the expected condition.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.